Welcome back to your weekly dose of Aviation Unscripted. This Thomas Cook A330-200 declared a pan due to a port engine oil leak and returned to Manchester, landing safely with the left winglet missing and the area temporarily taped prior to departure. Watch the Qatar Boeing 777 produce significant runway spray during touchdown at Schiphol. This Learjet, high on final, executed a sideslip to increase descent rate without gaining airspeed, continuing the approach instead of going around.
What is it?
Whoa! Oh my!
I couldn't make that out with like.
Oh my! Have a push play and rewind that. What on earth?
This North Carolina National Guard AH-64 Apache flies over the Cape Fear River, showcasing its low-level maneuvering capabilities typical of tactical rotorcraft operations. This TAAG Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner makes a stunning departure in low visibility, relying on instrument procedures for a safe climb-out. Watch this gorgeous Emirates A380 lift off from LAX into a stunning sunset. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more. See you next time.